Now the property 1 is the property regarding the opposite sides of a parallelogram. Now let us take the next property 2. So property 2, this is regarding the opposite angles of a parallelogram. Now according to this property, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are of equal measure, means the measures of the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So let us consider a parallelogram ABCD. To prove this property, ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. Now let us join diagonal AC. So here the quadrilateral is means the parallelogram is divided into two triangles ABC and CDA. So let us mark this angle as angle 1. So this angle as angle 2, and this is angle 3. So this is angle 4. In triangle ABC and triangle CDA. So if we consider triangle ABC and CDA, then angle 1 equals to angle 2. So in triangle ABC, angle 1 equals to angle 2 in triangle CDA, because alternate interior angles. Next, angle 3 equals to angle 4, because angle in the parallelogram ABCD, so since AB parallel to DC and AC is the transversal, so we can write that angle 3 and angle 4 are alternate interior angles. So these two alternate interior angles are equal. So we can write that angle 3 equals to angle 4 because alternate interior angles and here AC is a common side. So we can write that AC equals to AC. This is the common side. So by A congruence criterion, we can write that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. By ASA congruence criterion. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. So when two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. So we can write that angle B equals to angle D. This implies angle B equals to angle D. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So here we got that a pair of opposite angles are equal. So by joining the diagonal AC, we got angle B equals to angle D. So similarly, by joining the diagonal BD, by joining B and D vertices or angles, we can get angle A equals to angle C. So similarly, we can write that we can prove that angle A equals to angle C. So this is obtained by joining the diagonal BD. So angle B equals to angle D and angle A equals to angle C, which implies that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal in measure. Now let us see the third property of a parallelogram. So property 3, the adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So if we consider any parallelogram ABCD, in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, then here angle A and angle B, so these two are the adjacent angles. So these two are supplementary, means sum of these two angles is 180 degrees, because so this AD is parallel to BC and here AB is the transversal. Then this angle A and angle B are the co-interior angles or consecutive interior angles. So according to the property, the two consecutive interior angles are supplementary. So we can write that angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degrees. So similarly angle B plus angle C, so these two are also co-interior angles because DC parallel to AB and here BC is the transversal. So angle B and angle C are two consecutive interior angles or co-interior angles. So we can write that angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. Angle C plus angle D equals to 180 degrees, or we can write angle D plus angle A. Angle D plus angle A equals to 180 degrees. So if you consider any two adjacent angles of a parallelogram, so the sum of any two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 180 degrees, means so any two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So if you consider a parallelogram ABCD or any parallelogram PQRS, so one angle is given that, angle P is given that 80 degrees. Then what about the angle Q and angle R and angle S? So since angle P and angle Q are supplementary, we can write angle P plus angle Q equals to 180 degrees. So angle P is given that 80 degrees plus angle Q equals to 180 degrees. So we can write angle Q equals to 180 minus 80 degrees. So then angle Q equals to 180 minus 80 is 100 degrees. So your angle Q is 100 degrees. Then what about angle R and angle S? So according to the second property of a parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal. So here angle P is 80 degrees, so we can write that angle R also 80 degrees. And if angle Q equals to 100 degrees, then its opposite angle S also 100 degrees. So the angles of the parallelogram PQRS are angle P 80 degrees, angle Q 100 degrees, angle R 80 degrees and angle S 100 degrees.